I made a video of his brother Taegen the first time he discovered he could stand on the stool and turn the light off and on. And we have light. We don't have light. Where'd it go? There it is. Oh. You turned it off? And you turned it on. Flower? See flowers up there? Yes. You think you're so smart. I think we better quit. We don't want to blow a bulb. What do you think?
Hey.
Think you should get down? Huh? Okay, let's go out and finish watching Goofy. Should we go watch Goofy? And Donald Duck? I can hear Goofy and Donald Duck talking. Let's go see the quack quacks. Whoa! Let's get you down. Okay. Jump down. Oh, gee. I had you. Grandma has you. Bye-bye. We'll figure this out. You gotta flip it all the way over. Wow, you did it. You figured it out. Light. Light off. Okay.